An AI neural net is trying to simulate what a brain does. The essential elements of an AI neural net are really very similar to a human brain neural net.
We're experiencing a major shift from the status quo with the current breakthroughs in AI technology, which is likely to sweep up most of the current jobs held by humans. Think of it as a new industrial revolution led by AI. Very soon, it's expected that most workplaces won't have to rely on human labor anymore, even for work that requires cognitive inputs, as AI is expected to advance so much more than it already has in the near future. To stay ahead, you'll need to acquire some essential skills that'll keep you ahead of the greater percentage of the population. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the select skills that will help you survive the AI revolution. Number 9. Grow curious about technology. When you find yourself in the middle of an economy and world run by machines fitted with artificial intelligence, you'll need to learn and understand how they work to be able to understand where you can fit in. Making inquiries about the internal workings of AI-powered machines can help you gain the basic knowledge that will be required for you to find your place in the ecosystem. You get to identify suitable trends, jobs in high demand, and how to go about getting them. In fact, you'll be able to learn how you best can tweak AI to serve as a tool, which you could basically apply to your job to ensure enhanced productivity. The best thing here is that you don't have to be an expert to start this. Having knowledge of the current best practices will put you ahead of the greater percentage that might have zero knowledge of AI. Number 8. Data literacy. Data is basically gold in the field of AI. Large language models like ChatGPT, Bard, and Bing are trained on crazy amounts of data, which serves as the basic building blocks of these models. Tech companies take advantage of the large amounts of data available on the internet to build their models. The complexities of human communications make it imperative that these models are constantly updated to ensure optimal output, at least until AI can be able to source these data on its own. Having a basic knowledge of how to source and identify necessary data could also be a very important skill to have in an AI-dominated world. With such a skill, you can easily analyze data while identifying trends that could aid these companies in their endeavors. Using visually pleasing graphics that can be generated using AI, you can weave narratives that will help make your presentations on certain matters more understandable and help companies drive the target audience to action. Number 7. Modifying creative thinking. It's expected that by the end of the decade, AI will be able to reach a point where it must have gained the ability to perform tasks that most intelligent humans can, only with way greater efficiency. The crazy thing is that the influence of AI is quickly spreading beyond just providing a workforce for repetitive tasks, to include even cognitive tasks. This covers even the creative industry. Already, large language models have the capability to generate poems and perform other creative tasks. So with this, what becomes of the creative industry? Well, creatives can leverage the tools provided by AI to create more personalized content. With AI, creativity can explore tools that perform tasks they never thought possible and can be limited only by imagination. Some predict that AI will enable humans to create a virtual world where humans can let loose their imaginations and earn points for what they create. As we speak, AI is being optimized to help present-day content creators relate better with their audience. For instance, YouTube is bringing a feature with the help of AI which will allow content creators to interact with their audience in any language without actually speaking the language. Number 6. Prompt engineering. Current-day large language models rely heavily on the user's ability to create well-detailed and clear prompts for the best results to be generated. Without this skill, users might not be able to get the best out of these models. The key to understanding the prompt rests with the ability of the user to get the AI to key into the context and understand what's most suitable for that context. Getting yourself well schooled in this aspect can form future prospect for employers who will be looking to maximize the results they'll get from AI. It's advised that users describe the kind of content that they want as much as possible in a way that indicates the tone, style, and target audience for the AI to act accordingly and generate suitable content. Number 5. Formulating business strategies and ways of implementation. Already, we're witnessing companies that are looking for new ways to optimize output with the aim of reducing waste and increasing productivity. This has given birth to a high demand for professionals with knowledge of data analysis. Presently, such companies are exploring options in AI which would help achieve the same purpose at a fraction of the original cost and much more efficiency. You can leverage this demand to get well at home with these AI models. Using AI, you can easily run analysis using company data to identify areas where these companies need to make some adjustments for the desired goal. By doing this, companies can easily identify areas where they can optimize performance by leveraging AI and how best to do that. Having access to the wide array of user data that floods the internet daily can help companies target the most suitable audience for their product and services. Number 4. AI project management. As an essential skill that will see one through in an AI-driven world, understanding the basic workings of high-demand AI systems is crucial. Since most establishments are bound to depend more on AI systems, there will certainly be a ramp-up in the scale of production of, let's say, AI-powered robots. This will definitely demand that more hands be on deck to see that the skyrocketing demand is met. This job will imply that you have proper knowledge of the strengths and limitations of AI to help you better understand the conditions and situations each robot is most suitable for. This makes you invaluable for consultation on AI-related matters. With such skill, which could include even technical knowledge, you would be on demand to serve as a kind of quality control agent, providing insights on areas that need attention and what industries are likely viable markets for the products. Number 3. Basic understanding of natural language processing. Natural language processing is the backbone of modern-day AI. Developers are looking for new ways to make the vast resources available on the internet more accessible to even people without technical knowledge. Learning about the complexities of human communication and ways it can help grow the current technology is very crucial at this point. NLP is a key technology in many AI applications, such as machine translation, chatbots, and voice assistants. By having a basic understanding of NLP, you can develop new AI applications that can help people in a variety of ways. NLP is a field in AI development that deals with the interaction between computers and humans or natural language. By understanding the basics of NLP, you can better understand how AI systems are able to process and understand language and how they can be used to generate human-like responses to queries. Having this knowledge can be useful in different areas. It can be used to identify and mitigate the risks of AI, such as bias and misuse. By having a basic understanding of NLP, you can help to ensure that AI systems are used safely and responsibly. Number 2. Leveraging AI in personal branding. Considering that there's been a huge shift from physical jobs to online-based remote jobs, making sure that you have a brand that has you standing out among the crowd is a very important factor. And the crazy thing is that there are basically AI tools already developed for each aspect that comes together to make your brand. AI writing tools can help you to generate high-quality content for your blog, social media, and other platforms. This can help you to save time and produce more content than you would be able to on your own, keeping your audience engaged regularly. You stand to gain access to tools that can help you automate a variety of tasks, such as scheduling social media posts, sending email newsletters, and managing your customer relationships. This can free up your time so that you can focus on more important things, such as creating content and building relationships with your audience. Number 1. Imagining a new possible application of AI. Being able to imagine novel possible applications of AI can help you stay ahead of the curve. By thinking about how AI can be used to solve new problems and create new opportunities, you can identify new areas where you can develop your skills and expertise while providing insights for developers on their best markets. Personally, imagining new applications of AI requires you to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. This can help you to develop your creativity and solve problems in new and innovative ways, thereby creating more value that will make you on demand. Employers are looking for employees who can think creatively and who can come up with new ideas which could help them gain better control of the markets. These are some of the areas that are bound to keep you afloat in an era where AI has the potential to take over most of the jobs available to humans. Concerns are rising, and starting early to find solutions might just be the right line of action. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, made projections in an interview with Bloomberg earlier this year that humans will always devise new means of survival. That'll be all for this episode, and we would like to hear some other areas that might be helpful that we didn't mention here in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.